How to blend photos in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to blend photos in Canva. This is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And now let's get right into it. So the first thing that we are going to do is to simply open our browser and sign in to our Canva account. Once signed in, choose a style or a size that you would want to have. So as for me, I used the presentation size, and basically it routed me to an untitled design. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to prepare 3 blank pages here below. So for the first thing, we are going to go to our elements section and we are going to select or look for photos that we would want to add onto our first page. So say for example, let's try family. So there, you could actually find like different kinds of topics. So as for me, I would like to try having Paris as a picture, and I'm gonna use the Eiffel Tower. Let's set this as an image background, and there you have it. Now for the second image, I'm gonna use this dome right here. And then afterwards, we are going to go to the element section and look for a gradient filter. So here, I'm gonna make use of this one, and let's simply reposition it. Okay, now let's duplicate the gradient filter or gradient element. Once you have duplicated all, what we can do next is that we're going to select all of the gradient filters and group them together. Now let's copy this one and let's go to our second image. I'm gonna put it to the other side this time. There you have it. Now simply save on the second photo, and there. Once you've saved it, upload it again here in Canva. So go to your upload section and upload the file. There you have it. Now once you've uploaded, you should go to the first page again, and here in the first page you just need to simply put the second picture, resize it, and there. Now let's go to the transparency and let's reduce it. Once you've reduced the transparency, the next thing that you're going to do is that you're going to save this specific image. So click on the share button. Let's undo this one first. Okay. Alright, now what we're going to do next is we're going to share the photo and download it once again. And then choose PNG, and afterwards we're going to go to page 1 and there, download the photo. Now here in the third blank page, what we're going to do is we're going to upload the photo that we have saved first, and then afterwards we're gonna place it right here. Okay, next thing that we're going to do is we're gonna resize it accordingly, and then we are going to go to edit photo here in our menu bar above. Now here we just need to click on adjust. Okay, now once we have clicked on adjust, what we are going to do is that we are going to lessen the brightness, increase the contrast, and also increase the saturation. Right. And there you have it. You have successfully blended the 2 photos in Canva. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you find this tutorial helpful, and please like and subscribe. Bye!